This will teach you how to run a segment for people whose SMS has failed, and then also go in and remove their profiles. A common misconception when it comes to phone numbers is if you suppress the phone number, it doesn't actually follow TCPA guidelines. You have to actually opt that person out. So what we're going to do is within our Klaviyo, we will click on List and Segments. In the top right-hand corner, we will select Create New. And then we are going to run a segment for people whose SMS sends have failed. So we'll call it SMS failed 1X. Under definition, our condition will be if someone has or has not done failed to deliver SMS, and you'll want to select this one, not the automated. So failed to deliver SMS at least once over all time. And we want to ensure that we are only pulling people who can receive SMS marketing. From there, we will create our segment. Now that we have our segment created, on the top right, we will click Manage Segment, and we will export our segment to CSV. And the only items that we are going to need here, and this is very important, is to select both phone number, and we are going to select country. We will start our export. This export will either deliver into your computer or to your downloads folder. If your download does not arrive at your computer, you can click on the bottom left, click on Settings, go to Other, and then select Downloads. Here is where all of your downloaded files are available. We'll click Download, and then we will go back to our settings, and underneath Other, we will click on Profile Maintenance. Under Profile Maintenance, we will go down to Import SMS Unsubscribes. We will select our file. Click Open, and then click Save. And then here we will confirm that we want to unsubscribe the phone numbers. If you have any other questions, simply reach out. We're here to help.